Hello, everyone. I wanted to give you some information on how to use the grade sheet. So here is a link here, how to use the grade sheet. You'll click on that for the instructions. All right, here's the grade sheet template itself. I'm going to go ahead and open this right now. First, I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully it'll pop up soon. There it is. All right, so it's very, very small on this screen here, but I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then I'm going to show you how to fill it out. It's very, very simple. I'm going to hit enable editing. So it's on an Excel spreadsheet. Here's an instruction sheet too. This tab right here is an instruction sheet in case you get stuck. So I have everything grouped according to weeks. It goes all the way up through week 15. Now row 4 has the assignment labels. Notice how there's some that are kind of a beige color and some that are gray. The ones that are gray are extra credit. And you can see on the rows below that the text is blue. So that's how that works there. Now, row 9 over here, wait a second. This row here, row 9, this is total possible available to date. In this course, there's 1,000 points possible. So you can see what every point value is for each assignment that you do. Row 7, that's total possible graded to date. And then row 5 is where you'll put your scores. So let me show you how you would do it for week 1. Let's say you're going to start using this and you want to keep track of your grades. First thing you do is you take what is on row 1 for only week 1. Notice how I'm stopping here. So I got from cell C9 through M9. That's all, the only part of the range. Next week I'll do this for week 2, but I'm going to do a Control C for copy. And you'll see the blinking border. Remember, Control C is the keyboard shortcut. Then I'm going to click in the first cell of where I want my data copied to, which is in row 7. And I can do a Control and the letter V for paste, and then hit the escape key to get rid of the blinking border. And now, for week 1 only, the numbers in row 9 match what we see, or the numbers in row 7 match what we see in row 9, only for week 1. And then after that, pardon the noise, I put my score. So let's say I got a 10 for the discussion. Say I didn't do the extra credit. I got a 5 for the first concept video, a 5 for the next one. The training, I got 10. The critical thinking, let's just say I only got 5. Okay. 5 for the concept video, 10 for this training, and say only 5 for this critical thinking. All right. So I'm pretty much down 20. Let's see. No, wait a minute. Supposed to be with 15. Yeah, I'm down 20 points. All right. I didn't do any extra credit. This is only for week 1. I'm going to go over here. And my score would be 55 points out of 75. So that would be 73.3, which is a C right there. Okay. Don't worry about this A right here. That's just has to do with row 7, which is total possible graded to date. Okay. And then I'm going to go over here. And let's see, I did the extra credit. So I got 10 points for extra credit 1, 10 points for 2, 10 points for 3. And now let's see what my score is going to be. Now it's 113%. I have 85 points out of the possible 75. So it is important to do as much extra credit as you possibly can. And you can see every week there will be extra credit that's offered. Every week, except for Microsoft Access, because we're not going to do any SAM projects in Microsoft Access, just in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But there's going to always be a required project and then an extra credit project that can be worth 10 points. That's worth 10 points extra credit. And the way extra credit works, if you score 70% or greater, you'll get the full 10 points. If you do not meet the 70% threshold, you'll just earn the points that you would actually earn. So if you have 69% on an extra credit project, you'll get 6.9 points. But if you score 70%, you'll get the full 10 points. That's actually all I have for you. And if anyone needs any help, just reach out to me via Canvas email.